Hello YouTubers, and welcome to another Yorkies Bits and Bobs. Today we have another unboxing, which is right here. For those that subscribe to my channel and watch me on a regular basis, you'll all know that my main gaming PC that sits up there is dead because the water pump packed up. I had a XSPC raystorm kit. I bought it about 2 years ago, so it's probably out of warranty now, and it started smoking. The pump started smoking, so I quickly shut down the PC and ordered myself a new one. So I'm doing an unboxing today, and then obviously if all goes well I'll install it into my PC and get it up and running and show you it all running. So it'll probably be in two parts. So I'll do the unboxing first, and then I'll do another video with it installed and up and running, and I'll try and do some video and as I'm going along and doing the installing, so if you want to watch that. So I'll do my usual bit. Oh, before I show you that, I also bought some more fluid, which is, funny enough, XSPC, because that's what I've been using anyway. So it's pretty good. So it's pre-mixed with no need for additional additives. A low electrical conductivity, which is what you want. So this is a 1 litre one. Bought it from Amazon, cost me just under £9. So like 1 litre, so I've already got half of one still in there because I bought some last year. Because every now again you need to top it up and give it a flush through and all that. So with that, I'll show you around the box before I cut it open and let it all out, because obviously you need to know what it is, but you're going to know what it is by the title of this video. So there's a NEOChanger. Basically it's got RGB lighting. So it's a pump and a reservoir. There you go. See that? Show you that. So if you want to stop it and pause it. It's got the model number on here, dimensions, capacity, how much water it holds basically. What I'll do is once I get it out, I'll put it up next to my old one and show you the different sizes. There's the other side. See that? Nice and colourful box. So with that, we'll get on with the unboxing. What I'll do is I'll move the camera about so you don't see me, and you just see me doing the unboxing. Right, see that okay? Let's get on with it. Got my knife out. Cut the seal. Should do it. Yep. If you want a better angle, can you see that okay? It shouldn't be that much. So obviously you're going to get your instructions. NEOChanger, usual manual. There you go. Unfolds into a bigger manual. And then you've got all your various clips and connections that come with it. A little spanner by the looks of it. See that? Yeah. Probably about health and safety, limited warranty, blah blah blah, usual stuff. So that's the manual, user manual. So that's out of the way. So this box here, it probably has all your tools. There are plenty of videos out there for this package. I haven't done one, so I'm doing one, and plus I've had to buy one anyway. We've got, so you've got another connection lead, probably an extended lead. Looking at it, it's 4 pin both ends, so I would have guessed that's probably an extended. Got a nice bit of beading on it, so that's good, or braiding, whatever you want to call it. Your remote control, because it's got RGB lighting. Hopefully, if all goes well, I'm going to connect it to my motherboard, and my motherboard will control it with its software. So that's the plan, rather than use that, but I'll have that about anyway. Oh, here's your clips. You get one of these, so just your tubing goes in there, and obviously you just clamp it to the case, obviously, and then you've got all your different bits and bobs in here. So, like I say, plenty of videos out there, so if you want to look at other videos. So you've got a water pipe connection. That's a L bend that goes in there, comes out L, vice versa. See that alright? I'll leave it in the bag for now. Got a sticky. So you probably just want to stick it down somewhere rather than bolt it down. You can just use that. These are the same, but they also got, you can use them as ties. That's what the holes are for, which is good. This is a bracket. I believe this bracket here is so that you can side mount it, put it long ways rather than stand it up. In case you didn't know. So that's that. That's what that does. This was very important. Is for your power connection. So we'll start up the computer, but only run the pump, nothing else. So that's what that's for. So in case you get any leaks, in case you're wondering, I've already got a couple of these somewhere. I think they're in my little cupboard down on the side. And then they've got a little spanner that you might need or use for whatever reason. I don't know why, but there you go. And then we've got a selection of screws. Different screws that I'll probably use as well. So I'll use all them. I'll use their stuff. I like to use new stuff rather than stuff I've got. Even if my stuff is new, I'd use their stuff because that's what it's there for, to be used. So I'm going to quickly bung these back in the bag. So that's the package, the remote control, that, and then we've got the main body. I believe that's all that's in there, which is this baby. Nice, quite heavy unit. I think it's heavier than my other. There's a big pump as well, so I don't think there's anything else in the box. I'll move that out of the way. Yeah, so there's the lead. So that other one will be an extension to that one. So yeah, the thing that annoyed me on a lot of the videos, not on all of them, but most of them, they show you that, which is nice, but I wanted to see the back because I want to see how this all worked. It's only got the one connection because you have one in the top, obviously, one in there, and one to fill it up, which I have a little device that I've made myself. It's only a straw and a bottle basically, but yeah, there's the bottom, good quality metal. Like I say, it feels really heavy. What I'll do, the other thing that annoyed me, and this is on their website as well, is it gives you a measurement, but it doesn't tell you whether it's from the ground up or whether it's just from the glass up. So I want to have a measure up. So I'm going to stop the video for a second, get my tape measure, come back and have a look. Alright, you still here? Still watching? So anyway, I've got my tape measure. So I'm going to stand it from the ground all the way up to the top, and that says 240. So there, see that? So they said it's 300. It's a 300 milliliter fluid, but I wanted to know what the height was. So I wanted to make sure of that. So I'm not going to take it apart, but I'll just quickly show you things. Yeah, I believe the way it works is this bit here, that does the lighting. This little circle here. Like I say, it says Enermax on there, which I think looks nice. And then underneath there, is one of the reasons I bought it, it will have the speed of the pump, what speed you're doing. And on the remote, let's just get the remote while we're here, I'll quickly show you. Yeah, bag. Actually, feels quite nice. It's supposed to be magnetic as well. Yeah, you can feel it. Yeah, so it's in a little rubber case to protect it, as you can see. So what have you got? It should be able to adjust the speed, yes. I'll zoom it in on you. See that? You can have a good look. if you want to pause it. And it goes up to 4000 revs, which should be more than enough. And hopefully if it's as good as mine, it would be still be fairly quiet. The one I've broken, or it's not working. I haven't broke it, but and then you've got lots of other options there. You've got flash, sparkle, auto, store, so you can store your own on off, and then brightness and darkness, all sorts of things, and obviously your colours. And then you can go up in 150 or down in 150 on your flow. But hopefully you won't need to do a lot of flow. So there it is. So what I'll do now, I'm going to take this over to my PC and show you it next to my old pump that's still in the case at the moment. If I can. If I can, you'll see it on the video. If I can't, you won't. Back in a second. So yeah, as you can see, there's my old one. So this will, I'll take that one out, drain the system out, put the new one in, and yeah, you can see it's a longer pipe, a longer tube, but I think that one's fatter, definitely fatter, yeah. So it will go into there. It will come down a bit further because obviously it's a bigger pump. I'm just hoping I've got enough clearance, which I'm pretty sure I have, for it all to go in, because that was bugging me. So at the worst, I could always stand it on this plate here. There's a plate just there. Let me just scroll down a bit. There's a plate there, so I can stand it on now, and then just stick it in. I'll sort something out anyway, and then once I've done it, and I'll do another video of it all working. Right, let's move the camera back. So anyway, that's the unboxing of my Enermax NEOChanger, and that's a 300ml one, by the way, in case you didn't read it on the thing. But I'll put it in the description anyway. I should stick a link in for this. Also, if you want the fluid, I'll stick a link in there for that in the description. So please look in there and click on it for me, even if you don't buy nothing. It all looks good for me. And that's it really. So any comments, please post them below. Like I say, I will do another video to show you up and running. I'm not going to take it apart because I don't want to break the seals or break it in any way. And if you like my videos, please give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like them, give me a thumbs down. And please subscribe. And thank you very much for watching.